Hey guys, what's up? Hope you are all doing well and keeping safe. So after a few days I come back with a new video. Hi, this is your tech friend, tech assistant Ratul, and you are watching Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. And today's video is very special because today I'm going to discuss about a very important application with the help of which you can read any documents, scan any documents, and also you can do lots more stuff in one application, and the application comes from Google. Yes, Google has developed this application for visually impaired people and also for low vision people. So let's explore about the application. But before start the video, please like the video, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you first visit me on my YouTube. And also you can join our Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is in the description below. Also you can find Accessible Computing Telegram channel by searching in Telegram. Let's start today's episode. Let's open the application.
Lookout onboarding 1 of 2. Welcome to Lookout, an app for people with low vision or blindness.
Yes, welcome to Lookout, an application for vision impairment and blindness.
Lookout uses your camera to read text, find objects, explore the world, and more. Next button.
Just I'm clicking next.
Lookout onboarding 2 of 2. Your data.
Okay, so now let me read the screen. I'm swiping from left to right.
Your images are processed and stored on your device. To improve how Lookout works, Google may log usage data and whether any accessibility services are on while you're using Lookout. The Google Terms of Service. Apply
okay,
to
so
the use
all
of this
terms and conditions, terms and
button.
service and everything. Okay.
I agree button.
So just click on I agree to continue.
Allow Lookout to take pictures and record
Yes.
video. Deny. Allow button.
I'm allowing the permission.
Choose an account. Ratul Basak.
So now I need to sign in. Just select. I'm selecting my account and click on
cancel. Okay. Button.
Click on OK.
Text mode. Point your camera at any text and Lookout reads it. Having trouble? Rotate your device vertically and horizontally, or move closer, or not ticked. Don't show this again.
Okay.
Tick
So
box.
first is text mode. Text mode is used to read any text. Just focus your camera on the text and it will read. No need to capture any photo. Okay, it's the text mode. Okay, it's a default mode, and every mode has that checkbox option. If you want to check this box, you can check it. In the sense, the warning will not show again. So I'm clicking on
not ticked. Ticked.
Don't show
okay
again.
Button.
I'm clicking on OK button, and I have one pocket calendar with me. So let's read.
Lookout text mode. Help button. PSN Paysatly. With SESAP.SANJ PaySma PaySafe with SESC's contactless digital bill payment up to your mobile wallet net banking and extra debit/credit mobile wallet debit/credit PaySma PaySafe with SESC's contactless digital bill payment up show debit/Washington T credit card mobile net banking RTGS/NEFT 2022 L E 2022 holidays 2022 June May April March February S0S00.
Okay, so you can just listen. Okay, I have just read the text. Okay, already I'm reading the text.
Change language. English selected. Language. Signed in as accessible computing. Turn camera off. Button. Turn camera on. Button.
I'm turning off my camera because now I'm explaining what are the options there.
Recents. Button.
Recents. What is the recents? Recents. What you have? Recents activities. I'm clicking on recents. Sorry. Yes.
Recents. Back button.
Back.
Recents. Delete all recent items button.
Delete all recent items. If you want to clear your recent history, you can clear.
Recent items are deleted every time you close Lookout.
Yes.
Text 16:53 9. Enlist.
Text. Okay.
Text 16:53 MWAW.
Okay. So the text which I have scanned is just stored on my device. Okay. Don't worry.
Delete all recents. Back button.
I'm clicking on back. Let's see what are the other options.
Explore open. Explore open parent data close parent mode. Recents. Explore open parent data
Explore
close
mode.
parent.
Explore mode
1 of
is
5.
basically
Enlist
used
5
to
items.
know around your things. Like you are in your room, so you want to find where is the door. So you can use this mode. If you want to find the chair, the table, anything, you can use this mode. So let me click on this.
Explore open parent data close parent. Explore mode open parent data close parent. Scan around you and lookout describes the area, people, text, and objects. Having trouble? Move your device.
Okay.
Not ticked. Don't show this again.
I'm clicking
Tick
on not
box.
check.
Ticked.
Me.
Okay.
Click on
Button.
okay. After this, just listen carefully.
Lookout explore mode. Help button. Signed in as turn camera on button.
So now let me turn on the camera.
Turn camera off button. Sneakers. Building. Window. Container. Food. Furniture. 2 buildings. 2 buildings.
2 buildings.
Flower pot. 3 buildings. Window. 3 buildings. 2 buildings.
Okay.
Window. House plant. 2 house plants. Flower pot. 2 flower pots. Window. Building. Window blind. Window. Building. Window blind. Furniture. Building. Window. Furniture. Window. Reason. Turn camera on button.
I am turning off the camera because now I want to show you the next option. So hope you are enjoying this video, hope you are enjoying this application. So don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Reasons.
Also,
button.
you can like me on Facebook, facebook.com/accessiblecomputing. You can join us at Facebook, facebook.com/groups/accessiblecomputing.
Selected. Food labels open parent data
So
close
food
parent.
label,
Mode,
I am
2 of 5.
not showing you because I don't have any food right now with me. But you can explore it. Food level means it reads the level of the food.
Text mode 3 of 5.
Okay, so I have already showed you what is the text mode. Now I'm going to show you
Documents mode.
documents mode.
Documents mode. Not ticked. Don't show this again. Tick box.
Okay.
Tick. Okay. Lookout documents
Okay.
mode. Help button.
So before turning on the camera, I want to share with you one extra thing which I am very happy to see in this application. Others application does not tell you, okay, all text are now visible. You can capture the image, but Google Lookout gives you the direction to capture an image. I will tell you how to do this. First, I am turning on my camera.
Change language. English. Side. Turn camera on. Turn camera off button. Move device towards bottom right. Move towards bottom right.
Yes.
Bottom right. Move device towards bottom. Take photo button. Try taking a photo to scan what's in view.
Yes, when it
Move
says
device towards
try
bottom
taking
right.
a photo,
Move towards
you
bottom
can
right.
take the photo.
Bottom right. Try taking a photo to scan what's in view. Bottom right. Reasons. Take photo button. Can't detect text. Move device towards bottom
Okay.
right.
Let me check again.
Can't detect text. Move towards bottom right. Bottom right. Move device right. Move right. Hold still. Scanned item details. Close details button.
Okay, what is this?
Share button. Close. Delete item. Holidays 2022 June goes Game Ani of Citas April RP Sane Gonka 27 28 29 30 30. Delete item button.
So I have just scanned the calendars. So when Google Lookout finds it's okay to take the photo, it will automatically capture the photo. You don't need to capture the photo, but there is also option to capture the photo manually, but Google Lookout also help you to do this. So
Holidays
you don't
20.
need to do this. Sorry, you don't need to do it, okay?
Share. Close the share button.
You can share these details. I'm clicking on share. Let's see what are the options there.
Android system. Share. WhatsApp business. Column 3.
All the options are there, okay? So I'm closing.
Scanned item detail. Delete item.
I'm
Delete
deleting
item.
this item.
One item deleted. Lookout
Okay.
documents mode.
So friends, I think this application is very helpful. One more feature of this application is very helpful for us. It's currency recognition. And I am trying to show you about the currency recognitions, or how lookout is recognize our currency, I mean Indian currency. But I am getting some problems. I don't know what is the problem actually, so I am very sorry friends. I am not showing you in live demo, but still you can explore the currency mode in yourself. In future, if I got the solution, or if the problem will be solved, I will definitely make a different video to show you live demo how to lookout recognize our currency, I mean Indian currency. Okay, just go to currency mode, then you have the option to select currency, where you have to select the Indian currency, then click on OK button. After clicking on OK button, you will have to download some data, so just click on download button. The data will be downloaded, and after that you can easily recognize the currency. I have tried, but some problems is now happening, so I am very sorry friends for this inconvenience. So if you like the video, please like this video and share the video with your friends and family, and also subscribe my channel to get the latest notifications and latest posts. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video soon. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.